Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view Venmo debit card number. So I'm not going to show you an inside app tutorial, so if you're looking for that, I truly apologize. So how to do that? Of course, you'll need first of all to log in into your account very easily. If you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create an account, and if you don't have a card, you'll need to go and request one first. So how to do it? How can I update my billing address and a Venmo card? Anyway, so you'll just have to go to cards. That's not exactly, of course, that's like an article for something else, but exactly how to see it is just how you update it. Very simple. So you can go to cards and check under the Venmo debit card section. Tap the image of your card. Once you tap the image of your card, of course, you can click update in their listed address. If you want to update your address due to a declined purchase, please note that updating your address does not guarantee that your purchase will be approved. If you experience additional declines, please contact us or anything like that. But we don't want to update. If you just click on the card, you'll be able to see the full credit or debit card number there. And of course, you can start paying with this. And of course, you have some limitations, etc. But truly, that's it. So basically like that, once you click on the cards, you can find your card. If you click on your card, you'll find here these options. All you need to do, just click again on this card number and you'll be able to see the full card number. Or even if you go here to account details, you'll be able to see it, to see all the card details. So that's for providing more visuals. So that's going to be it for me. Thank you for watching and goodbye.